Murah kita. Hey guys, what's up? This is your Sabar teacher, Bakary. This is my 15-minute class, part of 8 video, going from beginning to advanced. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell of new video. Leaving a comment and please like the video and share it. Thank you for tagging us in all your great video. Also, we have more video: hip hop, yoga, street jazz, afrobeat, and more and more. Let's go to know the rhythm from Sabar, because everybody wanna learn Sabar. Sabar is very energetic dance, you know, very powerful. Okay, let's go. And from the top, okay, from this way and from this way. Okay, slow, okay, all right. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Open, close. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. Open, close. Open and close. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Open, close. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job, good job. More slow. Okay, yes, that's the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. A1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. One more time. More slow again. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, again, more energy. Put some move, more groove. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, don't forget to go this way. When you do your jar this way, you come back front and do your jar here too. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now one more time after I give you the music. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, music. Let's go. All right. Wow. Let's go. Good job, guys. Good job. 5, 6, 7. go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. All right. One more time. Let's do it 4 times. No stop. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, good job. Woo! How you feel? Good? Drink some water. Huh? And you feel tired, drink some water and get more energy again. Okay? For the next one. Right? And the next is coming. Like you have to use your leg. Yes, let's do it. Have to go right and left. You can just jump a little bit. A1 and 2. Okay? It's gonna be 1 and 2. You see? 5, 6, 7. Go. A1, left, right, and right, left. Okay? 5, 6, 7. A1 and 2. Okay. Just when you don't want to jump, just use your leg like that. Wow. But it's more easy. Okay? When you feel that. 5, 6, 7. Just 1 and 2. You see? And you cross your leg back. Okay? And your left leg is up, and you squat for the right. See? And when you squat, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Yes. I do that later. Okay? Let's go. 5, 6, 7. A1 and 2. Cross left up, right squat. Okay? 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? More slow. 5, 6, 7. Go. A1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You see? Okay. Now slow, slow, slow. Sometimes I'll go fast. No? Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I trust you. I know you can do it. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know. Now let's do it for the group. Like 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5. You know. 5. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Got it? You got you? Okay. One more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's do it 4 times. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. A 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, slow. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, more slow. 5, 6, 7. Right, left, up, squat. Yes. Faster. Let's do it faster. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 1, 2, 3. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. One more. 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Last one. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good job. Let's do it with the music. Let's go. A, A-Y, 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 A-Y. Sabar is, I love it. Sabar is great. Guys, it's wow. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, cross and squat. Again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, cross and squat. Again. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, 1, pop, pop. Wow. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Last one. 5, 6. Be ready. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Good job. Wow. Okay. Good job, guys. Okay, let's do it from the toe. Okay? From the squat, the position when you squat and when you go. Okay? Now, when you squat, it's here, you know, and when you turn, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and you'll be front. Okay? Let's do it again. Hop, squat, and 1, 2, 3. You'll be there. Okay? One more time. Slow. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7. Pop. The right is here, and you go right, up, left, up, and right. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, up, left, up, and right, up. Okay, let's do it. One more time. More slow. 5, 6, 7. Hop. And go. Right, up, left, up, and right, up. Good job. Okay, and now you can see the groove, how it look like, okay? When you squat and when you go. Hop, squat, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Yep. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Aye. One more time. 5, 6, 7. Squat. We ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's do it with the music. Great job, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button. See you in my next video. Thank you for taking my class.